Here's how to make your own playlist on YouTube step by step. Whether you want to save music, tutorials, or your favorite videos, this quick guide will show you how to do it in the easiest way possible. Let's dive right in. Open up youtube.com or studio.youtube.com and make sure you're logged in into your YouTube account. Both platforms can be used to create a playlist, and I will show you how to do it on each of them. On youtube.com, you can save a video to your playlist in two ways. First, click the three dots on any video thumbnail and then choose Save to Playlist. Or open the video, click the three dots below it and select the same option. From either place, you can pick an existing playlist or click Create New Playlist, give it a name, set privacy, and hit Create. Now on studio.youtube.com, go to the left menu and click the content. Find the video you want, click the pencil icon, and in the video, scroll down to the playlist option. Now select a playlist or click Create Playlist, name it, choose the privacy, and hit Create. Now here is something important. Can you create a playlist on YouTube without adding a video? On youtube.com, the answer is no. There is no way to create a new empty playlist directly on youtube.com. You can only make a playlist when saving a video. Even if you go to your channel or a library, there is no create playlist button unless you are adding a video. To create an empty playlist from scratch, go to studio.youtube.com, click create in the right top menu and then hit the new playlist button. Enter your playlist name, choose the privacy setting and click create. And that's it, your new playlist is ready and you can now see it on both YouTube Studio as well as youtube.com under your channel. And that's how to make your own playlist on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe and like ITPK and see you in the next one.